Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in a Jeep Renegade key fob. Open the fob by sliding the mechanical key out and gently prying the case seam. Remove the old CR2032 battery using a small flat tool, noting the battery orientation. Insert the new CR2032 with the plus side facing up, snap the case closed, and test the buttons to confirm the remote works with your vehicle. Start by sliding out the mechanical key and locating the small release tab. Hold the fob firmly and insert a flat tool into the seam to separate the two halves gently. Once open, observe the battery orientation before removal so you can replace it correctly. Use a fingertip or non-metal tool to lift the old CR2032 out carefully without touching the circuit contacts excessively. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like for more car DIY tips. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They keep screws, batteries, and tiny parts organized when you work on keys or cars, and they double as lunch boxes. Check the description for the product link and other deals to grab one for your garage. Thanks, now let's get back to the video. After inserting the new CR2032 battery with the correct polarity, align the case halves and press them together firmly until they click into place. Reinsert the mechanical key into its slot to secure the assembly. Stand near your Jeep Renegade and test lock, unlock, and panic buttons to verify signal strength. If the range seems weak, reseat the battery and clean contacts with a microfiber cloth before retesting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.